How to change YouTube language on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to change your YouTube language on your iPhone completely, then first things first, go ahead and open YouTube application on your device and then tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, you will see the option for languages under the General or Account tab. So tap on the languages option you see there, and further, if you want to just change the language of the videos you watch in, then you can simply tap on the preferred languages option you see there and scroll through and select the language of your choice and then tap on the confirm button in order to change the language that you watch your videos in. However, if you want to change the app language entirely, then go back and open settings on your device and tap on general and then on language option you see there. Now, in this particular interface, go ahead and tap on the add language option and then go ahead and add languages of your choice that you want to change the app language to and wait for the verification. Once completed, your app language on YouTube will be changed. So, this is how you can change YouTube language on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.